Alright, hey guys, welcome back to HHCV and welcome back to my channel. And sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin before, thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button also. So today, we are going to unbox this another purchase sa Shopee. It's a total of 1,531. I ordered this and this arrived 3 days ago. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is a landing pad, a antenna booster, also an antenna booster. Okay, let's unbox. Oh, I also have ordered pala this propeller stabilizer. Ito yung holder. This is a propeller holder. I ordered this. So, tatlong to is a total of 1,531 including the shipping. So, I also have ordered this few weeks after their sale kasi hindi siya nagpabago. This was not put on sale kasi I guess maraming bumibili nito kaya hindi ito na sa sale. I'm also going to put down on the description yung stores, different stores. I ordered this from I guess 3 different stores. So I ordered this at only one store. So this is the landing pad. Let's check first the landing pad. Okay, so very disappointed ako dito sa packaging. But then let's take a look kung merong sira. So as you can see, wala siyang bubble wrap. Dito lang siya merong bubble wrap sa booster, sa antenna booster. So okay, this is the landing pad. So malaki siya. This is nice. Wow, ang laking landing pad. So hindi ko inaasahan na ganito siya kalaki. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So kayo na lang magtansya sa inyo, So kung ito is Huawei phone, ganun siya kalaki. So I guess hindi ko inasahan na ganito talaga siya kalaki. But then I'm so happy with this. Wow. See? Ang laki. And there's also the other version. Okay? Parang hindi siya. Okay. Let's do it now. Okay. Huwag na muna natin siya i-close kasi we're going to pag-aralan ito para siya i-close. Okay. So, let's get back naman dito sa propeller holder. So, sabi nila, I made a research. Sabi nila it's very important na merong ganitong propeller holder. So I still don't know on how this works and how this protects the propellers of the drone. But then of course, since we are investing for a better drone, so kailangan natin ng mga protections. So this is made of rubber. Okay, so this I guess is legit. This is rubber, made of rubber. I'm going to make an illustration, another video for illustration on how it's done pag dumating na yung drone. So made of rubber po siya, a little stretchable. Okay. So since wala pa tayong propeller and wala pa yung actual drone natin, so we can see kung fit siya dun sa drone. So that's it. This is a propeller holder. I'm going to put down the price of individual prices of these at kung ano yung nakuha kong mga freebies, mga coupons na nakuha ko sa Shopee. Okay, so this time we are going to unbox the booster. This is a monitor Sunhood signal booster combo for Mavic Pro Air and Spark. Okay, so ayun. So medyo na-UP na siya dito since nakita niyo naman kung gaano siya naka-wrap kanina. Paano yung packaging, pinag-isa-isa lang lahat. So but then meron naman siyang bubble wrap. And yet again, I'm still not happy with the way they package or they put it in a package. So this is it. So labas natin. Okay, and ang brand niya is Sunny Life. Ayan. And so this is the Sunhood. I guess this one is Sunhood. Yes. Okay. Ang ganda. I like it. And this one I still don't know on how it's done kasi wala pa tayo ng controller. But then I'm going to search on YouTube again. Syempre, lagi naman tayo sa YouTube nagsa-search. Meron naman siya mga instructions on how it's done. A brief introduction. Meron siyang installation guide. And it also says the features. It is written in English and Chinese, I guess. Yeah, so ayun. So ayun siya. So very important yung hood. Kasi pag I guess ganito siya, oh. This is how it's done. Okay, booster. So this is the booster. Meron siyang seal to make sure. Okay. See, I really still don't know kung paano siya ginagawa. I'm going to assemble this siguro dun na lang sa unboxing natin with the actual drone and the controllers. You know, so this is it. Meron siyang panglinis. And also this one. I guess this one helps in boosting. Siguro parang ganito rin to. I still don't know kung ano to. But then binili ko pa rin dahil when I search details about DJI FMC, it's a fly more combo na darating sa akin siguro by 2 weeks from now. So when I search it, although the description says that it can go up to 500 or 300 to 500 meters, but then the actual flying is only giving you from 100 to 200 meters. So with the help of this, you can actually get the actual range na pinapromise ng gadget. So ayun. So again, this is a monitor Sunhood antenna range extender combo for Mavic 2 MP and Spark. So ayun. Getting back to the landing pad, meron din siyang mga kasamang ito, stand. I guess this is a stand. Yes, it's a stand. Kailangan mo siya lagay dito. Tama ba? Or dito? No. Parang ganun yata. Something like this. For you to parang ganun. I don't know if kung tama akong ginagawa ko. But then again, parang it's more likely parang ganun. Kasi meron siyang apat na ganito. And wala naman siyang butas para malaman kung saan siya ilalagay. So that you can stand it. It won't be actually touch the ground. The actual landing pad won't touch the ground dahil dito. So ayan, I can't wait for the drone. Hindi na ako makapag-antay. So sana dumating na siya so I can share it to you guys. So again, thank you so much sa mga lahat ng nakaabang sa akin video. It's been a lot of gadgets na na-share ko na sa inyo. This is one of the reasons why I'm doing this video, the unboxing videos, especially to my co-photographers out there na gusto mag-venture, na mga nagsisimula pa lang at gusto mag-venture sa photography. So I can share some points to, kasi ako rin naman na nagsisimula. I've been trying to look and search for a lot of videos. So sana yung mga questions nyo was answered by this video. So if you like this video, go ahead and share it to your friends. Magtulungan tayo mga co-photographers and let's share our best practices, our ideas, our experiences. Kasi although we are competitors in some business, but in some aspects, but then of course kailangan pa rin natin magtulungan para ma-share natin. So hindi naman natin ito pwedeng kunin lahat ng mga clients sa lugar mo. So there are may kanya-kanya naman tayong talent, so believe in it. So the main purpose of these videos that I'm doing is to share this to other people. So again, if you like this, share this to your friends, share it to your wall, to your Facebook account, copy the link, subscribe below, subscribe and hit the bell button below. If you have questions, go ahead and comment down below. I'm going to answer that as soon as I can. And thank you so much again. Thank you for watching HATV. We're going to see you back next time with the DJI Mavic Fly More combo. Bye.